San Diegans can now buy farm fresh food right in their own neighborhood. This is Demetrius from Mobile Stories, reporting from the Malcolm X Library.
The farmers market is for people who live in southeastern San Diego and people who want to buy fresh fruits and vegetables, no matter where they live.
Because they're homegrown, they're better, they're organic, and I get the taste of the actual fruit and vegetable.
Even though there are not usual farmers markets in low-income neighborhoods, this farmer market is trying to change that.
It's important in this community because a lot of times we don't have a place where we can go and buy fresh fruits and vegetables. The vegetables that you see here, they come from farms that are really located close, so it's really fresh. Sometimes they picked it just this morning or yesterday.
To provide nutritious food and keep the Mobile, Exxon, and all those people out of our grocery stores by providing local food instead of stuff that comes from 1,000 miles away.
The farmers market is located at 606 Euclid Avenue and it is open from 3 to 7 every Friday unless it rains.
We accept EBT. We currently accept senior checks for the farmers market as well as WIC.
For more information on the People's Produce Farmers Market, visit at www.mobilestories.org.